Hey, what's up guys? I'm Daniella Monet and welcome to D Takes
D takes your V card. It's just food.
Okay, so this episode is a recipe episode and we're making lentil soup. This recipe is kind of a two-part recipe. We're gonna be making a beautiful tomato sauce in order to go into the soup, and I don't use any broths, so I like to make my own soups completely natural, and the broth that I like to use is water and the sauce. So let's start making that. Start with some fresh garlic. So I'll do 4 cloves of garlic and a whole yellow onion. So usually I split my onions in half. I'll use 1 for the sauce and 1 for the soup. So I have a medium saucepan. I'm going to coat the entire bottom of the pan with a lot of EVVO, extra virgin olive oil. So you can see that that's fully coated, maybe a little more. That's gonna give it so much flavor and allow the onions and garlic to really cook and get nice and chewy and kind of crispy. Just let that simmer until the onions and garlic are soft. The onions and garlic are cooked, so we're just going to add these tomatoes. Now, I usually just let this cook for probably about 20 minutes. The sauce looks like it's ready to be mushed, so I'm gonna give that a good mush and let them simmer for another 30 minutes. The longer you let it simmer, the better it tastes. Now we're going to heat up our big, beautiful pot. Fill that with olive oil as well. I don't measure things, as I've mentioned in other videos, so sometimes just coating the bottom of the pan is my way of saying that's the measurement. So, because I don't use broth, I obviously have to season my soup myself. So this is just crushed black pepper and some sea salt, and just let that all simmer. I love black pepper. I'm gonna add all the water now, and I'm starting with 2 cups of water. And depending on how, depending on how liquidy you like your soup, you can add anywhere between like 4 cups and 6 cups of water. So I ended up going with 10 cups of water because I want this soup to last. I know, don't roll your eyes, goodness. Hopefully we'll have, enough for most of the week. And this is a crowd pleaser, so go for it. We're gonna let the water simmer or get hot enough so that I can pour the entire bag of green lentils in. Okay, once the soup comes to a boil, just bring the heat down so that way it just starts to simmer, and have that cook until the lentils are soft. Okay, now we just need some parsley. All right. I usually like to do 2 scoops from the bottom of the pot and then 1 scoop of just the broth. Ta-da! So, what did you guys think of this recipe video, and would you try this yourself? Let me know in the comments below. I'm so excited to finally cook on D Takes Your V card, so share with all your friends, and happy cold weather season. Enjoy the soup. Yes! Bye.